Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be um doing a layer breakdown of a photo manipulation poster that I did right here in Photoshop. As you can see, it's a Red Bull poster, and we're just going to break it down layer after layer. Before we get started, I'd like you to like this video, drop a comment, share the video, and of course subscribe, because more amazing videos will be coming your way. Without talking too much, let's get right into it. Alright, so I created this design here in Photoshop, and the size that I used is 1080 by 1350. So if you look at the status bar at the bottom left, you'll see it's 1080 by 1350 pixels. Alright, so I'm going to hide all the layers and we'll start. And if you look at my layer, you see that everything is grouped. So I usually like designing this way, but you don't necessarily have to be this arranged, but yeah, I just like doing it that way. Anyway, I'm going to hide all these layers and we'll start from the bottom. So under here we have the sky. Right, we have the sky. I'm going to hide this, so I'll double click on this. So this is the original image for the sky. So I basically added a Gaussian blur to it. I added color balance. This is the before and after. Then I added levels, so that makes up the sky. And then we have the moon, which is basically this image of a moon. Right, this is the original image of the moon, but then I added a screen blend mode, and then I added like a glow on top of it. Right, then we have this, the trees and mountain. Now originally this is what it looked like before I now added the moon and the sky at the back. Okay, so we have the tree and mountain. So this was actually the very first image I brought into my canvas, and then I removed the background and I had this before I then brought in the sky and the moon. Do you understand? Then for this for the mountain, I added the hue saturation adjustment layer. So you can see the before and after. I reduced the saturation and then added a levels adjustment layer to kind of reduce the, should I say, the highlights. And then I added highlights on this right hand side using the levels adjustment layer. I increased the brightness, and then I created a mask and only showed this side on the right hand side. Then I added a color balance layer to make it kind of purplish, since the sky is kind of purplish. Alright, then I added a skier on top. Right, so this is the skier. I used hue saturation adjustment layer to reduce the saturation of the skier. Then I added a color midtones, a color balance adjustment layer to adjust the image. Then I used the levels adjustment layer to add shadow and highlights to the image. Then I added snow at the bottom. So this is the original snow image. I cut it out, and then I added a levels adjustment layer. Sorry if you're hearing any background noise. I added a levels adjustment layer, and then I added fog. This fog is, I think I downloaded it, or I used no, I didn't download it. I used a brush, a fog brush. Right, then I added a drink. So I'm going to open the drink. This was the original drink. This is the original drink. Then I masked it out using the the snow at the bottom. Right, then I added like a shadow under, so you can see the shadow. Then I used color balance, and I used levels to add shadow and highlights to the drink. Then I added the second skier at the bottom. So for that skier, So you can see him here. I just brought him in, remove the background, then I tried to add like shadow underneath him, and then I added using levels. I tried to create some shadow and highlights. Then I added color balance to balance the color, and I reduced the saturation using the hue saturation adjustment here. Then the last thing I did was to add the logo and the text. I downloaded the logo from PNG Wing, and then the text I used Slacker Brush. That's the name of the font I used. And yeah, after everything, I added the color lookup, Moonlight color lookup, and then created a snapshot of the layer, and I went to camera raw filter and I edited it. So that's basically the layer breakdown of this poster. I'm going to be linking the PSD file and the assets in the description box, so do well to download them and you can attempt designing it. I know this is not as detailed as my normal tutorials, but yeah, I tried to create a tutorial for it, and it was extremely stressful to remember every single thing that I did, and I decided to do like a layer breakdown instead. I might do another photo manipulation poster, and I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Thank you for watching to this point, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Check out other videos on my channel, and I'm sure you like them. And yeah, I'm talking so much. Adios.